Hello, and what a lovely day for hanging out on the beach. So if you're looking to make a logo for a new company or just refresh your current company logo, I wanted to show you a website which you can do this for free. I've seen people charge for these type of services and they're no better than the free ones which I'm going to show you. Hit the like button, hit the subscribe button for 10 years good luck. So here we go. So the website is here. It's namecheap.com/logo-maker, and once you get to the website it looks like this. All you need to do is click on the click free logos button here, and then you would put in your company name, so whatever your company is called. I'm going to call it Alan's Bakery because I've always fancied having a bakery. Not really. Let's see if there's a bakery option. Oh yes, there is a bakery shop or bakery shop. Click on continue, and then you choose the most appropriate or just whichever font you think takes your fancy. The funny thing is it does ask you this 6 times, so thick or thin nails. So I want that one, playful or elegant. This is just about personal choice. That one, pick a color. I quite like this one. Company slogan: for all your delicious treats is my slogan. Continue. Okay, what icons do I select? So these are icons that will go with the text of your company name. There isn't any bakery looking one here, so I'll just select a few here, 3 there. Oops, oh, you can delete them as well. Okay, like this one. Continue with these 3 icons. Okay, here we are, and these are the results that it has come up with. So it will give you a whole page of logos. I quite like the look of this. This one looks quite good. It's quite clear. This one's quite nice. So there's a lot here. Just one page. Okay, keep scrolling. There's more and more. There's loads. Okay, there is a bottom eventually, but I think it must be over 50 perhaps or more. I don't know. I don't know. I haven't counted. But let's say I wanted this one. So you click on this, and then from here you can still change the color. So let's say I want that color scheme. No, that one. Okay, that one. Okay, so you've got different sort of main headings for colors. So red colors, and then you've got different types of red. And then you close off the color. Okay, you can change the text type. Slogan you can change. Okay, so you can change how you want that to look. Change the icon as well. So currently I had this one. Change it to something. Change it to the other one. This one. Okay, that one. Layout. So these are the different layouts that you can choose. Let's go back to this one. I prefer that one. And that's it. So you can use this logo that you've created for your business cards, t-shirts, websites, apps. You can sign in to download it, and then you should get it as a graphic and use it how you wish, or you can just do a screen capture and capture that and use it. So yes, that was it really. Just wanted to show you this free logo maker that you can use for your own creations. Okay, cheers.